Welcome to Sci-Fi Stories. If you love stories of courage and mystery, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community.
After the first transmission echoed through human space, every major relay station shut down long-range responses. Orders came from the United Planetary Council within hours: no replies. No probes. No attempts at contact. Silence was survival. Commander Elias Vorn stood on the bridge of the exploration vessel Astraea, staring at the pulsing starfield where the alien structure drifted. It looked less like a machine now and more like a wound in space itself. Thin fractures of light leaked from its surface, spreading across the darkness like cracks in frozen glass. "Commander," whispered Lieutenant Mara Sol, her voice tight, "we're receiving another burst." Elias didn't turn. "Play it." The audio that filled the bridge wasn't sound in any normal sense. It felt older than language. A layered vibration that crawled under the skin and settled somewhere behind the ribs. Then the translation engine struggled to shape it into human words. "You were warned." The temperature on the bridge seemed to drop. "No change in structure activity?" Elias asked. "Negative," Mara replied. "But gravitational readings are rising again. Something is bending space nearby." That was when the stars began to disappear. Not explode. Not collapse. Disappear. Pinpoints of light winked out one by one beyond the alien ring. At first it was subtle, the way clouds swallow stars on a quiet night. But there were no clouds in vacuum. "Magnify Sector 7, Elias ordered. The display zoomed in. The darkness wasn't empty. It was moving. Space itself rippled outward in slow tides, like something enormous was swimming just beneath the surface of reality. A crewman muttered a prayer. Another crossed himself despite not believing in anything for years. Mara swallowed hard. "Commander, mass readings are off the scale. Whatever that is, it's larger than a moon." Elias felt an unfamiliar sensation creep into his chest. Not fear. Recognition.
The archive message returned to him with perfect clarity. "Do not answer the sky. It hears. It comes. We need to leave orbit," Mara said quietly. But Elias couldn't look away, because the alien structure was opening. Segments of the ring rotated with impossible smoothness, revealing a core brighter than a newborn star. Streams of light shot outward, not random, but directed. A beacon. And humanity had already replied. The ship trembled. "Shockwave detected," someone shouted. A silent wave passed through the hull. Not physical, something deeper. Every system flickered at once. For a split second, Elias saw something that wasn't on any screen. A shape pressing against reality. Too vast for the mind. His knees nearly gave out. "Report," he barked. "Our navigation AI just rebooted itself," Mara said. And, "Commander, the alien structure is transmitting again." The translation came faster this time. "Run." The stars went out faster now. Whole constellations vanished into the advancing dark. Elias made the decision humanity had hoped never to face. "All ships," he said into the fleet channel, his voice iron steady. "Emergency retreat. Full burn. Now." Engines ignited across the small human task force. Blue fire carved through the void as ships pivoted away from the ring. Behind them, the darkness accelerated. Not chasing, unfolding, as if their reply had given it direction. Minutes stretched into eternities while the fleet pushed toward jump distance. Then the first ship stopped. No explosion, no debris. It simply flattened into nothing, squeezed into a line thinner than light before vanishing completely. Mara gasped. "Commander, it's not destroying matter. What is it doing?" Her fingers trembled over the console. "It's removing it." Another ship vanished. Then another. Elias opened a priority channel. "All vessels, randomized vectors. Do not travel in straight lines." But deep down he already knew.